Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something very important. Why are you still afraid to speak English, and how you can fix it step by step. Let me ask you something, do you understand English but you can't speak it? You know words, you know grammar, but when it's time to speak you feel nervous. Maybe you think, what if I make mistakes? What if people laugh at me? What if my English is not good? Listen carefully, this is normal. But this fear is the reason why you are not improving. The truth is simple, you don't need perfect English to start speaking. You just need courage. Let me tell you something important, every person who speaks English today was once a beginner. They made mistakes, they felt shy, but they didn't stop. Now let's talk about the solution. What should you do starting today? Step 1, start simple. Don't try to speak long sentences, just start with one sentence. For example, I am learning English. Say it slowly, I am learning English. Repeat it again. I am learning English. Very good. Now step 2, repeat every day. Practice even if it's just 1 minute. Consistency is more important than perfection. Step 3, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are your teacher. Every mistake helps you improve. Think about this, if you learn one sentence every day, after 30 days, you will know 30 sentences. After 3 months, you will feel more confident. Not perfect, but better. And better is enough. Remember this, small steps every day create big results. Now I want you to do something with me. Repeat after me, I will speak English every day. Again, I will speak English every day. One more time, I will speak English every day. Very good. Now write this sentence in the comments and make it a promise to yourself. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Start today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.